In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix extra spacing in constant contact emails. If your email looks roomy in all the wrong places, you're not alone. Extra space usually comes from padding, margins, or spacer blocks, and the good news is that constant contact gives you precise controls to fix it. Let's walk through it together so your message looks clean and consistent on every device. First, open the constant contact email campaign you want to edit. From your dashboard, head to the campaign you've been working on and open it so you can make changes. Once you're there, click Edit to open the email builder. That loads the visual editor where each section and block can be adjusted without touching any code. Next, find the element that looks too spread out. Click directly on the section, block, image, or text area where you're seeing extra space. As you select items, the builder highlights their boundaries, which makes it easier to spot whether the gap is inside the element or around it. Pay special attention to the area around headlines, images, and buttons, since these often have default spacing that might be larger than you want. With an element selected, open the layout, spacing, or design settings. Depending on the block, these options may appear in a side panel or a floating toolbar. Look for labels like layout, spacing, design, or sometimes an icon that resembles a gear or sliders. You're in the right place when you see controls for padding, margins, or spacer height. Now, reduce or remove the padding, margin, or spacer block, creating the gap. Padding controls the space inside a block's border. Margins control the space outside it. If the space is between two blocks, try lowering the bottom margin of the top block or the top margin of the bottom one. If you see a dedicated spacer block, select it and reduce its height or remove it entirely. Make small, even adjustments, dropping padding from, say, 30 to 20 pixels, so the layout stays balanced and readable. Remember that buttons and images often need a bit of breathing room, so aim for tidy rather than cramped. Finally, preview the email on desktop and mobile to make sure the spacing looks correct. Use the built-in preview to toggle between views and scroll through the entire message. Check areas with images, headings, and call to action buttons, since they can shift on smaller screens. If anything still looks too loose or too tight, jump back into the settings and fine-tune until it feels just right. That's it. Clean, consistent spacing that makes your email look professional and easy to read.